In this video, we will learn how to write a CV for data entry operators. I will discuss some important skills that you need to add in your CV as well. I will also share an experience of a student or a candidate that must be added in your CV for writing a data entry operator. So let's start. Okay, first part is the introduction about your name, your address, your email address, and your phone number. These must be added. After that, there comes the objective. You have to state an excellent objective that states why you are a very good data entry operator or a data entry professional. You can see I have added an objective. You can read it and make an excellent objective that represent your a good data entry operator. After that, there comes the education. Like you have to add your education. You have done Bachelor of Science from which university and in which year. Now there comes the skills. These are main important part of your CV. You can see and say that you are proficient in Microsoft Office Suite, that includes Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You possess excellent typing speed of 50 or 60 words per minute, and you possess excellent attention to detail and organizational skill. You have ability to prioritize tasks and meet deadlines. Uh, Experience with data management software tools. You can state some software names that you are good with, like SAP software. Then there comes your strong communication and interpersonal skills. Then your familiarity with basic accounting principles, the knowledge of data confidentiality and security protocols. Now, experience. A data entry operator person can also work as an administrative assistant or a data entry clerk. In clerk, you will state the name of company where you work and their date of employment and then responsibilities in that organization. Like when you're working as a data entry operator, which responsibilities were done by you. Like you can say that you entered and verified data from various sources into complete database with a high level of accuracy. You maintained and updated database record as needed. You assisted in preparation of reports and presentation by compiling data and creating spreadsheets. You responded to inquiries and requests for information in timely manner. You ensured data integrity and security by following company protocols. Now there comes the administrative assistant. You have to state again company name, where you have worked as an administrative assistant, then dates of employment, and then again the responsibilities offered by you. Like you can state that you provided administrative support to the office staff by handling correspondence, scheduling appointment, and maintaining files. You entered and updated customer information in the company database. You assisted with the preparation and distribution of marketing materials. You managed inventory and ordered office supply as needed. You prepared and processed invoices and expense reports for etc. You can state more of responsibilities. Then there comes the certifications, like what certification you have done that makes you a good and excellent data entry operator. And then there comes the available references and references. So you state that your reference will be available or request. Thank you for watching, and you can subscribe this channel for more videos.